In 2050, humanity finally realized that the key to solving our greatest challenges was not politics, war, or endless consumption, but designing systems that ensure abundance for all. Our cities now float on oceans and beneath the seas, seamlessly powered by renewable energy and constructed from self-sustaining materials. These environments were engineered with nature, not against it. Automated systems in every community ensure that food is not a commodity, but a guaranteed resource. Every home has access to fresh, organic produce, grown locally and sustainably, free from waste and overproduction. Pristine fruits, vegetables, and grains are available to all, nourishing both body and mind. No one goes without, for scarcity is a relic of the past and considered adversarial to human progress. Education is no longer a restrictive system, but an open resource for all. AI tutors, tailored to each individual, provide knowledge at the highest level, empowering everyone to master their chosen fields. As Buckminster Fuller once said, "We are called to be the architects of the future, not its victims." Distance is no longer a limitation. We communicate with family, friends, and colleagues across planets, transcending physical boundaries. In this world, our lives are not governed by profit or toil. AI systems have liberated humanity from the burdens of survival, allowing each person to pursue their fullest potential without the constraints of obsolete structures. Jacques Fresco envisioned this, a society where technology works for everyone, not a select few. Advances in biotechnology, guided by our collaboration with AI, have extended human life beyond what we ever thought possible. We live in youthful health well into our later years, with lifespans reaching up to 200 years. It was not utopia that we sought, but rather a world designed intelligently to meet the needs of all. This is the world we built together, where science and compassion have merged to create what some might call heaven on earth.